Hey, so, I think we're gonna do a change of plans. Let's go ahead and practice setting up our own little flight plan instead of doing this one.
Okay, okay.
Let me just pull up the nav aids and see what we got around us.
Gotcha, pull up the digimap.
Alright. Let me put the overlays on the digimap next. And I got the nav info up there. Alright. Yeah, you know what? Let's do LTAG. So give me a point past waypoint 2, and then we're going to hook down to LTAG from there. I believe that should be Incerlik.
Gotcha, okay. But here should be good.
Yeah, that looks great.
I need to start deleting the remainder of the flight plan first, though.
Copy.
And LTAC, correct?
Correct. I'm going to go ahead and bring up the chart.
Yes, please.
Alright, what you need?
Touchdown zone elevation, please.
164.
164. Decision altitude?
It's going to be 369er, since we're going to do an ILS.
369er, nice. Runway direction, course?
049er.
049er. Okay, threshold elevation, same as the touchdown zone, correct?
Yep, 164.
164. And glide slope intercept altitude?
Looks like 2,300.
2300 on the GSIL. Alright, I just need 2 points, a slowdown point and a turning point.
Slow down, let's make that 12. And let's make
12.
the turning point 15, please.
15 for the turning point approach fix. Please check the flight plan for me.
Alright, yeah, that looks great. Go ahead and execute.
Right. Execute.
Perfect. Alright, let me get a few things done here. I'm gonna change the... no, stand by.
Copy, I'll start fixing some of the speeds for these turns.
And the threat is from Incerlik, it looks like, so we are good. I'm
Sure
gonna
hope so.
change the radar altitude and our minimums.
Copy.
So radar altitude is 200 AGL, so we're 200.
Okay, we're gonna stay at 230 for the majority of our descent up until the slowdown point.
Sounds good. Minimum's 369er. So 370. Okay, our radar altitude and our minimums are in. I'm just gonna change the altitude reference down to 2300.
Copy, 2200.
And 2300 set.
Alright, for the waypoints, we're going to be 250 across the board up until GSI. Between slowdown point and GSI, we're going to slow down from 230 knots to 130. We're going to cross LL01 at 9,000, turning point to approach fix at 3,800, and slow down at 2,300.
Okay, yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the checklist for descent. And let me know when you're ready for the descent checklist.
Ready.
Altimeter?
Altimeter barometric set 29.33.
Pressurization?
Cabin altitude is 3,000.
ACOS?
ACOS, clear. I have no messages. Checked.
Defensive systems, I got that one.
Okay.
Clearing the master caution. Okay, defensive system checked. Landing and taxi lights.
Set.
And the sand check is complete.
Okay.
Go ahead and set it for before landing, so we got that ready. Alright, well, looks like we made our first turn. And top of descent is coming up here shortly. I'll pitch sink us down to about 5 degrees.
Alright, as soon as you do that, I'll ask you to pull the chart up. I want to get the VOR punched in.
Roger. Alright, reaching our TOD, I'm going to pitch sink us down.
Copy descending.
VS is set.
Copy. Can you get me the frequencies here, please? For the ILS and the tachyon station.
Sure. Localizer is 109.3.
109.3. And the tachyon station?
21 X-ray should be Dan. Alright, that's set.
Copy Dan.
And I got it up. Thank you very much.
You can see the runways out there almost.
It's over to my right. I don't see it yet.
As soon as you go swings level, you should get a good view. Benefits of the right seat.
Alright, I see the runway. Oh, actually, I see both runways. Okay, that's LTAF on the left and LTAG is on the right, so we just need to be sure we're landing on the right runway. Let me bring up the told page here real quick.
Looks like we have some precipitation over the city on the north side. Might come in. So I'll be ready on the wipers if need be.
Please. And temperature is 21. And Barrow, we said 29er33. Alright, got my told data up.
Gotcha.
So approach, we're looking at about 121 knots, so 120 will do.
Okay. Should we get to 120 under 1,000 feet?
Yes. Alright, looking good. Looks like we're turning in on the right place.
And we're on approach.
And there's the runway.
We're about to hit a slowdown point. I'm gonna go ahead and start pushing us down. Speed checks 136.
136, pilot check.
1,000 to go.
1,000 to go for our glide slope intercept.
Yeah, as soon as we get low here, we should scrub a lot of speed off.
Alright, I'll be ready on selecting VOR 1. Alright, VOR 1 is selected. And I'm going to go ahead and arm the approach.
Copy, arming approach mode.
Alright, looks like it's
All
getting
right,
it.
It's intercepting the needle. We're below 170. I'm gonna give us flaps 50.
Copy.
$130 in the speed check.
Pilot check. Here comes the glide slope. And there's 130. Should be descending down here.
Here comes the needle.
There's the descent.
Perfect. You good for full flaps, gear down?
Hey, firm.
Gear, flaps, lights.
Awesome.
Oh, she's wobbly.
Let's do before landing checklist.
Ready on the checklist.
Altimeter.
Barometric set to 9.33.
Radar altimeters.
Radar set to 200.
Cabin differential pressure.
Checked 0.
Flaps and gear and lights.
Full down set.
Hydraulic panel.
Set.
And before landing checklist complete.
Second.
I'll take control manually once we get a little closer and just get me down to about 120-ish.
You want it now?
Yeah, why not? Let's go ahead and slow down.
Alright. Speed checks 1 to 0.
Pilot check.
Looking great.
Alright. Once I take autopilot off, I'll just ask for you to take auto throttles off for me, please.
Sure. Ready with that. Looks like we're gonna hit some of the rain. It's over the runway.
Copy. Just be ready with the wipers.
Ready with the wipers.
Alright, taking control manually. Autopilot's coming off.
Autopilot.
Copy. Do you want the auto throttles off now?
And an auto throttles off, please.
Throttle. Throttle.
Coming off. She's all yours, Cap.
Yeah, I got it.
Minimum. Minimum.
Continue. Wipers on, please.
100. Wipers on fast. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5. Good touchdown.
Brakes are on.
All 4. Damn, we are making Charlie.
Alright, just gotta be careful with the steering.
Taxi lights coming up. Cleaning up the flaps and lights.
Got it. Thank you. Alright, not too bad.
Pretty good, pretty good.